strapped together, so each amp's only seeing 1 ohm.
Okay. The bone shaker.
Yeah.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
Oh,
snap.
Running a 390 amp alternator.
Okay.
2 CT sound, 2K strap.
I'll let you open and do
No, you're good. Go ahead.
Oh, nice. Oh, those are small but compact power.
Perfect.
Very nice. Are they 1 ohm?
Yeah, they're running. I'm running 2 ohm right now. The ohm loads drop down to 2 ohms for the overall, but they're strapped together, so each amp's only seeing 1 ohm.
Okay. The bone shaker.
Yeah.
All right.
That was the name of it.
All right.
I wish it was a little louder than it was. This is a trial and error kind of thing. I've been playing with the porting on this.
Nice.
2 DC audio level 515s, Sony mids and highs all around, 6x9s in the front, Pioneer deck. I left all the stock stuff hooked up because my girl doesn't like it. So
there you go. He's about to give me a demo. Give him a thumbs up. I like this. You got your own little panel. You got your stock.
Everything's like separated. It's all its own power.
Very cool. And you're still working on the 6th order design layout of it?
Yeah, it kind of just like I beefed it up before I got here.
Yes, sir.
Today, but
okay.
It's more or less, it's still trial and error. I'm still working on it, but so far, I mean, I'm pretty happy with it, especially being way underpowered.
Oh yeah. And your extra batteries are right there. Okay.
Yeah, two 100 amp hours.
All right. Do you know your tunings at all?
No.
That's all good. All right.
I like your videos, dude. Subscribe, man.
Thank you. Appreciate it, man. Very unique style, and you look like you did everything yourself.
Yeah.
So, good job, man.
Thank you.
Are you planning to do any ceiling work here?
Yeah, I'm gonna eventually finish it off. Like I got it up and playing yesterday. Like I got off of work. I got off of work at 4. Spent about 4 more hours doing this. Went to sleep about 3 hours and left at 2 in the morning.
Wow, there you go, man.
So it was kind of a rush job at the end, but I got her here. So.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it, man. What was your name?
Amelio.
Jacob. This video is sponsored by NVX, and today I have a high-quality component speaker system set to show you. The X series from NVX, 2-way, 6.5-inch size with a power handling of 600 watts peak power or 300 watts RMS per set. Lightweight carbon fiber cone material and rubber speaker surround. The woofer speaker has a ferrite magnet motor structure with a frequency response between 42 Hz and 21,000 Hz. The dome tweeters have a neo magnet, and this is actually called the XQ-S65 kit.
Money by the pound, I could buy all the real shit. I ain't never been a liar. Welcome to your bitch, Trader, I'll buy ya. Nigga talk shit, I pull out the nigga. Shit. Throw my niggas in the car. My niggas. Man, when I pull out the phone. Bottles in my both hands, bitch, fuck, we don't slow dance, till no slow dance, someone. Nigga talk shit, I pull out the both hands, bitch, fuck, we don't slow dance, till no slow dance, someone. When you got a pound, I could buy all the real shit, I ain't never been a liar. Welcome to your bitch, told her I'll buy it. Nigga talk shit, I pull out the fire.
Thanks for the demo, man.
No problem, man.
I like
the videos, dude. Subscribe, man.
Thank you, appreciate it, man. Very unique style, and you look like you did everything yourself.
Yeah.
So, good job, man.
Thank you.
Are you planning to do any ceiling work here?
Yeah, I'm gonna eventually finish it off. Like I got it up and playing yesterday. Like
Oh,
I got
wow.
off of work. I got off of work at 4. Spent about 4 more hours doing this. Went to sleep for about 3 hours and left at 2 in the morning.
Wow, there you go, man.
So it was kind of a rush job at the end, but I got her here. So.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it, man. What was your name?
Amelio.
Amelio. Jacob. Appreciate it, man.
Take care.